Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to install and set up the application for your speaker JBL Grip. You have to start by open Play Store and then go to the search at the middle bottom. Now click at the search line at the top and write JBL Portable. And now you should install the application what's called JBL Portable. Open the app. Get started. Accept. Allow. And we did it! In the next video I will show you how to add the speaker to the application, so if you don't know how, you can check that video at this channel. And thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!